Hey.
You get a scooter, Tristan?
Uh-huh.
Awesome.
That's my... Oh!
Uh-oh. Who gave you that, Tristan?
Oh, skateboard! Somebody.
Who?
Somebody.
Somebody gave it to you? I think it was Santa Claus. Was it Santa Claus? And what did Camden get? A skateboard.
I got a skateboard too.
Cool. Tristan thinks he got a skateboard too, but he got a scooter. Help him, Camden. There we go.
Ta-da!
Ta-da.
He's got his own musical toy.
Yay!
And look at this.
Ooh,
See what's in here, buddy? See what's in here. Try to open it.
He could probably get it now that you got the top stuff out.
Here you go. Hey, Tristan, you're gonna have to. Ooh.
What are they? Julie of the Wolves.
Oh, awesome. That's a good book.
That's what it says.
It'll keep you warm.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Oh, balls! Yay!
Yeah!
You could never have enough balls, huh? Oh, what's that?
I don't know, but it looks like a spongy.
A spongy.
Yay!
Tristan, what else is in your stocking?
I can
Cool.
help him. Tristan, come on. Let's see what else is in your stocking. Look. Take it out. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
What is it?
A toy.
It's a car? Oh, cool.
Open it up again. Look some more. Tristan, look some more. Here, just let's dump it out. You got it.
What is it, Tristan?
You said it's a phone. It's a phone.
You'd like to talk on the phone.
Look, another ball. A ball. Ah!
It's a squishy ball.
Squishy. Hey, look. Story, splash balls.
Is that your lightsaber?
Time to go to sleep. Ah!
Oh! He got knocked down.
I know how to play.
What did you get over here?
I got that same.
What is that
lightsaber.
thing? What do you do with it?
You just put it inside its habitat and let it sleep.
What's it called?
Ah! It's called
Zooble. Cool.
and he goes to sleep in his little habitat home. And then watch this. You close the lid again, and then you put him on top, and whoop, he's an animal.
Whoa, cool.
Do you have a Thomas?
What is it, Camden?
Superposer Sonic.
Superposer Sonic. Cool. A little bit. Cool. Wolves, huh?
They look like huskies.
Oh, yeah, maybe they are huskies. What did you get, Tristan?
A Thomas.
Let me see.
A Thomas.
Turn it around. There.
Thomas.
Cool.
I'm gonna take them out. I don't have three cars.
What are they?
It's stars.
They're cars? Hold them up.
Ta-da!
Turn them towards me so I can see what they are. Oh, cool. You gotta rip it, Tristan.
I gotta
Turn it over. What is that? Oh, a Hello Kitty lamp.
open it. It's a table lamp.
Mm-hmm.
I have to open it.
There you go. Grab it right here.
So cute.
What is it, Tristan?
It's a toy.
Is it? Let me see.
It's a truck.
No. Sit back and hold it up. It's a truck. Hold it up so I can see it. Oh, cool.
Open it.
Okay, I'll open it.
Ta-da!
What is it?
Shine the ball.
Yay!
Oh.
Yeah, that's a Princess and the Frog stuff, huh?
I can't take it out.
I'll get it for you. What is it?
Is that Thomas?
No. That's James.
That is Thomas.
Thomas is blue. James is red.
Is that James?
Yep.
Is that James? I didn't take it out.
Here, I'll get it for you.